Are we only doing one and then you open one and then you open it again?
That's right, so hand one over,
What, open my eyes
and then...
Oh, definitely that one. Definitely that one, right. Yeah, well done. I think if we chose ones that were more similar, it would have been harder.
They're just going to be X, Y or Z.
Right.
And the person who identified the stick said, oh no, I memorised this part in it.
Oh, interesting, yeah.
It was just like, oh, no, yeah, I thought it was
yeah.
What do I want to do?
Maybe I'll do one for
Yeah.
Yeah, you could be asking what it feels like. Many bits was like was said, it was the knobbly bits that I was thinking. I was trying to count how much and I still got it wrong.
Totally.
I didn't have had the same amount. Didn't have that.
Your logic is really good. That's what I thought.
So again, I mean, even there, there's a counting element. So again, that's bringing some of the math stuff, like how many, W bits or whatever is on there. And other variations you can do. I guess this is one where it is, again, it's very scalable, so you can make it super easy and basic. 3 very different items to like several which are very, very similar, so you can make it, so that's fine.
Even 3 different sized sticks.
I got 3 different ones because then I work with 2-year-olds in the morning, so I thought like that would be easier for them to then discuss how different they were.
So just up here in there, see flying along, there's a load of long-tailed ticks. So they're in, because this is an order just here, can you see them? So they're like they're almost like a little ball with the sticks here. Really great birds. They're often in the flock. They do, yeah. And you hear this, they're still calling, they do a CCC. I'll show you a picture. So partly it's the call, so I heard this is the call where they're going over there. So that's one of the things that was how I first noticed them, and then saw them, and the shape is another thing, so they're like a ball with a stick on the end, and usually in the group, in winter they hang out in groups. I'll show you a picture as well. There's one kid, like years ago I was speaking to someone who was working with kids, and this little girl, he said, she looks at me, she's flying lollipops. Because they really look like they're just like this. Then you want to find it. I'm just find it upside down.
Long tail.
Yeah, got it. Just right here, yeah. So it's this one right here. And it's got these kind of 2 stripes. Funnily enough, this picture doesn't kind of show quite how round it is, but it really does look like a... It's almost like it hasn't got a neck, it's just kind of a body / head with a tail. Yeah, they're still up there. So see how they're up there, there's a few of them still around calling. And so these are contact calls that they're doing, so they're doing like CCC, so they're keeping in touch with each other. But I find it really fascinating in the winter when you watch these birds and other similar ones, closely related ones, they're going around through the canopy, they're pecking away at stuff, they're actually getting like small spiders, tiny insects and stuff tucked away. But it blows my mind how they actually manage to survive on that. And this is a fun thing you can try, is like, you can watch these birds and maybe with some kids, have a look around the branches and stuff, see if you can find insects and stuff in the winter. It's really hard to spot them. Or you might have magnifying glasses or whatever, just have a hunt around, maybe later on we can give it a go. But it just goes to show like how well adapted they are for really like looking into nooks and crannies and stuff. And you know, you find, you know, kids often have pretty sharp eyes, they know find stuff. Yeah, that's brilliant. Yeah.
I was playing October.
So it's just coming up for 12.